How to connect Shopify to Amazon step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can get started with connecting your Shopify store to your Amazon store and how you can import products from your Shopify store and start selling them on Amazon or vice versa. So you can start your Shopify store by taking products from Amazon and selling them or rebranding them and reselling them on Shopify. So let's get into it. Now, Shopify is a online platform that enables you to create your own e-commerce store. It is probably one of the most widely used ones, and I definitely do think that in either kind of situation, however you're looking to do it, if you're going to import your products from Shopify to your store or import your Shopify products to your Amazon storefront, you are going to be able to build a good business model. However, these two strategies are pretty different. So if you are looking to import products from Amazon to Shopify, you can do that for free. Basically, you don't need to, register on Amazon or anything. You can directly import products from Amazon to Shopify. It's hassle-free. But if you actually want to sell on Amazon, you want to take your own products that you've listed, your own creations, and start selling them on Amazon, you have to create a seller account on Amazon. So for that, you're going to have to go to sellercentral.amazon.com. From here, you have to provide your business information, seller information, billing, store, and verification. Once you've completed these 5 steps, then you can go on ahead and proceed to sell on Amazon. So I'm going to be showing you guys the applications you can use to sell on Amazon, but this charges a $40 fee, and I'm just going to show you the basics of it, and if you guys complete these steps, you will be able to start selling. So let's get into it. Now, going back to our Shopify store, how can you integrate Amazon into your Shopify store? Well, you have to go into settings on the bottom left of your Shopify store. Then you want to click on apps and sales channels. Now, there are multiple different items or applications you can use, and we're going to go on ahead and I'm going to remove the pre-existing ones simply because I want to show you guys step by step how you're going to do it as well. So I'm just going to delete these applications, and all you have to do is go into apps and sales channels, click on Shopify App Store over here. Once you click on Shopify App Store, you just want to search for Amazon Importer. Now, if you want to take products from Amazon and start selling them on your own store, then you can go to a platform like Multi-Channel Importer. This is a platform that enables you to take products from multiple different suppliers like Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress, and then start adding them to your store. So basically, if you're using this model, you're kind of doing dropshipping in a way. So you're going to use Multi-Channel Importer, or you can use the Amazon Importer Spreader app. I really like using the Amazon Importer Spreader app. It's pretty efficient to use. Although it is not available for free, it has a 7-day free trial, and then it's $5 a month for unlimited Amazon imports and Amazon button links as well. So if you're someone that has a Amazon Associates account, which is basically the affiliate program for Amazon, then you definitely should go with the Amazon Importer Spreader app, because it will give you quite a boost on your affiliate marketing, on the affiliate clicks that you generate. Now, if you are the other way around, so if you want to take your own pre-existing products that you have created and you want to start selling them on Amazon, first off, you're going to need a seller account. Then after that, you have a platform called Said Commerce Amazon Channel, or Codisto, Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. Now, these two applications are for when you want to take your Shopify products and start selling them on Amazon. So let's say I started my business selling bracelets that I created, and I created a Shopify store for that. But I'm realizing that people are more likely to buy these items when they see them on Amazon. So I want to start selling on Amazon. And I will use this to directly import my product as it has been added to my Shopify store to directly import them to Amazon. This is amazing if you have previously established your business on Shopify, but you want to expand your sales funnels and create a larger audience for your product. Now, moving on ahead, let's take an example. So let's go into Amazon by Codisco. And you have this application. This is simple and easy. All you have to do is click on Add Application. It has a free plan available as well as a 30-day free trial of their premium version. All you're going to do is add the sales channel. And once you have completed that, you will see the application on the left side of your screen. You can pin this to your navigation for ease of access. And then you can just click on Connect to Amazon. Then you're just going to proceed over here like this, and then you just have to fill in, the information about your Amazon seller account. So that is the basic. Obviously I have not completed my seller account over here, but it would lead me to this page where I just have to complete my seller account, and then Codisco can get started with working on my Amazon store. Now, what are you supposed to do if you want to take products from Amazon and repackage or rebrand them on your Shopify store and then start selling them? Well, for that, you're going to go into Settings, go into Apps and Sales Channel, go into Shopify App Store, just search for Amazon Importer, and you can download the multi-channel importer. You can just download this, click on Add Application, or you can use the Amazon Importer Spreader app as well. You're going to click on Install Application. Once the installation has been completed, you're going to see the application on the left side. So you guys can see now it's going to ask me for basic information. I'm going to provide that like this. And now you guys can see you can have your Amazon importer, so you can click on link your account. And the best part about using a multi-channel importer is that you can import your product to multiple different sales channels, especially if you're looking to expand your business. If I use one application for Amazon and then the other for eBay, the other for Etsy, it can be quite annoying to keep track of all that. Maybe I want to do it on, a easier way. So for that, using everything is going to be a lot easier to do from one platform to launch my product on multiple different sales channels. Now, if I want to bring products from Amazon to my Shopify store, all I have to do is click on Import Product, select my marketplace, it's Amazon, then I will select my account that I want to import to. If it's FBA, it's default product and it's a default listing, I will click on import product. Obviously I'm just going to link my seller account, and then I can start importing product. So and this way you can connect your Amazon and your Shopify store. It's rather simple and easy. And as an example, this dress over here, I have imported directly from Amazon. It was a Amazon item, but I have rebranded it and I can sell it for a higher price on my Shopify store simply because I have repackaged it, rebranded it, and gave it a different appearance. So that is all you have to do for importing product onto Shopify. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. And I will catch you guys in the next video.